I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must act now. Log into the exact YouTube account that saw the prompt and make sure the app or browser is updated. Once done, check your region settings and whether a VPN or smart DNS is active, because location mismatches often trigger premium blocks. Next, reproduce the issue in incognito or on a second device to isolate account versus device errors. This immediate split test tells you whether the problem is tied to your account, your device, or the network, so you know the correct next move. Now work through the complex middle. Clear app cache or browser site data, then sign out and sign back in to refresh entitlements. This forces the service to revalidate premium status. While doing that, review your subscription in account settings and confirm the payment method is current. Expired billing can revert access. Also inspect browser extensions, ad blockers, and multiple profiles or family plan roles, because they can strip premium features or route playback through restricted flows that require reconfirmation. Finish by forcing reauthorization. Reinstall the app or revoke all devices in account settings and sign back in, which clears stale tokens. Make sure device date and time are accurate and that the OS or ISP isn't enforcing regional locks. If access still fails, gather evidence. Take screenshots, note exact error text, device model, app version, and timestamps, because when you contact support, those logs let them fix account-level entitlement errors quickly. One tip, try cellular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.